Hi guys. Who you decide to align yourself with is a decision you can't afford to take lightly. If you're a guy looking for a woman that can complement the man that you are, then you have likely realized how difficult the dating world is today. I feel like modern dating is like sifting through a trash can to find a rare jewel, and you're getting stuck with sharp needles as you dig. Because as harsh as it sounds, the truth is in that trash can of modern dating, there are more sharp needles than rare jewels. So while you look for the right woman, also be extremely vigilant about the things that you need to avoid, because a low quality woman can drag you down right along with her, emotionally, physically, and financially. So here are 5 signs that scream a woman is low quality. Number 1, she's ungrateful and entitled. Something I've realized about men who are truly all in, their happiness comes from making their woman happy and making her feel safe and secure. All they want in return is a woman who will recognize their efforts and love them for it. But if you're with a woman that just never seems to be happy or content no matter what, you will be left feeling inadequate and unloved despite every single thing that you do. This cuts deeply at one of the most fundamental dynamics of a healthy relationship: gratitude and reciprocity. An ungrateful and entitled woman will wear you the hell out because she will constantly make you feel like you're falling short. So as a result, you'll try to continuously do more for her in an effort to keep her happy. And this dynamic is just impossible for any man to keep up with for too long. Number 2, she lives on male attention. Look, we all have our sources of self-esteem. For some people, it might be their achievement, how they look, or their morals and standards they hold. But one telltale sign of a low quality woman is that her source of self-esteem is male attention based. As a man, there should be zero doubt in your mind that the woman you have by your side is loyal to you, both physically and emotionally. But a woman that lives and thrives on male attention will find it extremely difficult to cut that ego boost of male attention go, even after she's with you. Women like this fish for men's attention through social media or dressing provocatively, the way that they act out in public, etc. A woman like this will always have you on your toes, never giving you the actual peace of mind that she's truly yours, because she's still showcasing herself for the world. Number 3, she doesn't care about her hygiene or appearance. Another sign of a low quality woman is that she doesn't care about looking good for you. I mean, of course, it's okay to occasionally let yourself be comfortable when you're around each other. But if you find that she's letting herself go or neglecting basic personal hygiene, then it's a good cause for concern about what the future of the relationship will be like. This isn't about being vain. It's about the reality that men are extremely visual. Your woman is one of the closest people in your life, and you can't go looking to anyone else once you've committed yourself to them. It's imperative that you both look good and remain attracted to each other. Number 4, she manipulates you using emotions. One of the most emotionally draining types of relationships you can be in is one where you're being manipulated. A woman that's manipulative quickly learns how powerful the technique of leveraging her emotions to control you is. This can take many forms, but the most common ones are crying to look like the victim, getting overly jealous to control your social life, and gaslighting you. She uses her emotions like strings to manipulate you. And if you've ever been in a relationship like this, you know exactly how exhausting it is. All trust is off the table, and every single thing becomes a game or negotiation. It's impossible to maintain a relationship with a woman like this for too long. Number 5, her dating history is a list of low quality men. If men are known by the company they keep, I think it's perfectly fine to judge a woman by that same quality of men she's previously dated. It's okay to have a past, but it's not okay to have a string of failed relationships and short-term flings with low-quality men. A low-quality woman will try and convince you that the reason of her past failed relationships were at the fault of the men and not her. This says a lot about where she stands with accountability, because who picked these men? If you're with a woman like this, you can safely, very safely, draw a few inferences about the type of quality woman she is. Women have a very unique capability of forcing men to level up by being very selective in who they date. But if you find that she has consistently lowered her standards for any guy that wanted her, it's a sign that she has low quality standards. Who you decide to align yourself with is very serious. The dating game isn't just about finding the right one, but dodging the wrong ones as well. A low quality woman can cost you way more than just a bad date. She can drag you down emotionally, physically, and financially, as I said in the beginning. So remember, guys, keep your standards high. You're looking for a partner, not a project. So until the next video, I'll see you guys later.